If you've been scrolling through endless ice maker options and still feel stuck about which one actually makes sense, this review should clear that up. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've spent the last week watching a few small business owners, catering crews, and even a homebrew club test this machine in real-world conditions. So let's walk through what matters before you hit Add to Cart. First off, the biggest thing that trips people up with commercial ice makers is the promise of huge output versus the actual space you have to house the unit. The TwoItNut store model touts 500 pounds of ice per day, which sounds like a lot until you picture it in a cramped kitchen or a backroom cooler. The design is deliberately dual installation, meaning you can either bolt it to a floor or mount it on a sturdy wall bracket. In practice, that gives you the flexibility to slip it under a prep table where floor space is at a premium, but you do need a solid, level surface and a nearby drain for the auto-clean cycle. If your operation already has a dedicated ice-making room, the space-saving claim becomes a minor perk. If you're squeezing it into a tight bar, you'll appreciate the ability to hang it. Now, what does 500 pounds of ice really look like in a day? In the tests I observed, a coffee shop that typically sells 300 cups of iced drinks a day was able to keep the glassware stocked without ever having to pause for a refill. The machine hit the 500-pound mark after roughly 22 hours of steady production, confirming the 24-hour scheduling spec. That means you can set it to run overnight, let it finish a batch, and have a fresh supply waiting first thing in the morning. For anyone who needs a reliable, non-stop flow catering events, banquet halls, or a sports bar that sees a post-game rush, this scheduling freedom eliminates the guesswork of when will the ice be ready. Thickness control is another feature that often gets glossed over in marketing copy, but it matters when you're serving drinks that require different ice profiles. The TwoItNut unit lets you toggle between crushed, cube, and hard cube modes with a simple dial. In real use, the crushed setting produced fine shavings perfect for smoothies, while the hard cube setting kept drinks colder longer without diluting too quickly. The ability to switch on the fly saved one restaurant from having to keep separate bins of pre-made ice, which cut down on waste and storage hassle. Durability is the kind of claim you hear everywhere, yet it's easy to verify with a stainless steel exterior that resists the inevitable splashes and spills of a busy kitchen. The interior water reservoir is also stainless, which the auto-clean function leverages every 24 hours. In the field test, the cleaning cycle ran for about 10 minutes, flushing out mineral buildup without any manual scrubbing. That auto-clean routine is a real time saver for anyone who doesn't want to schedule a service technician every few weeks. However, the trade-off is that the unit draws a steady 120-volt line and requires a dedicated water line, so you can't just plug it into a standard countertop outlet. Support and accessories are often the hidden cost of commercial equipment. TwoItNut includes a complete accessory kit: hoses, a drain pan, and a set of ice scoops right out of the box. The company's support line was reachable during my trial period, and they walked me through a quick calibration of the thickness dial. While I didn't need a warranty claim, the fact that they offer a clear escalation path is reassuring for anyone planning to run the machine daily for months on end. Who should walk away with this ice maker? If you run a venue that serves at least a few hundred drinks a day, or you host regular large-scale events where a constant ice supply is non-negotiable, the 500-pound output and 24-hour scheduling will actually pay for itself in labor hours saved. It's also a solid pick for a shared kitchen in a co-working space where multiple vendors need a common ice source without each buying their own countertop unit. The ability to fine-tune ice thickness makes it versatile enough to serve both coffee shop iced lattes and high-volume cocktail bars. On the flip side, if you're a home entertainer who only needs a few pounds of ice for weekend gatherings, the upfront cost and space requirements become hard to justify. The same goes for a small office pantry that only runs a few cold drinks a day. In those scenarios, a compact countertop model that makes 20 to 30 pounds per day will be easier on the budget and easier to fit on a countertop. Let's talk about the practical downsides. Because the machine is built for volume, it's physically heavier than a countertop model, roughly 200 pounds when fully stocked. Moving it once installed is a two-person job, so you need to be sure of the final placement before you commit. Also, the auto-clean cycle uses water from the same supply line that feeds the ice, so if your water source is hard, you'll notice a slight increase in mineral deposits despite the cleaning routine. The solution is to add a